Hello dear readers and subscribers. Every generation has a true painter's painter. And at this very moment in New York, there is a painter's painter on view at Luring Augustine, Salman Toor. Toor is arguably one of the most popular figurative oil painters today, and rightfully so. As a result, I kindly invite you to explore his work and in particular his show Wishmaker at Luring Augustine, two venues in New York, one in Chelsea and one in Tribeca, together in this video. Let's have a look.
Luring Augustine presents Wishmaker, a two-venue solo exhibition by Salman Toor, marking his first major presentation in New York since his acclaimed 2020 show at the Whitney Museum of American Art. Spanning the gallery's Chelsea and Tribeca locations, the exhibitions includes a suite of new paintings alongside Toor's first dedicated presentation of works on paper. Born in 1983 in Lahore, Pakistan, and based in New York, Toor explores themes of vulnerability, community and identity within the context of queer and diasporic life through his vivid, emotionally charged figurative compositions. His characters, brown, queer, and often caught in states of reflection or reverie, navigate worlds that are at once intimate and exposed. Some dwell in private interiors, bathing in warmth and safety. Others appear in liminal spaces, suspended between departure and arrival, comfort and uncertainty, rendered in his signature palette of moody greens and jewel-like tones and almost irresistible brushwork. Toor's figures do not simply inhabit these worlds. They float through them, blur into them, or collapse onto them in so-called vague puddles of limbs, fabrics and objects. This fusion of body and setting becomes a vehicle through which Toor negotiates presence and erasure, as well as belonging, displacement, and alienation. The exhibition's title, Wishmaker, gestures toward longing and imaginative agency, a quiet insistence that desire itself is a form of making. In these works, wishing becomes both a political act and a personal gesture. The figures here may be conjured from imagination, but the conditions they evoke, hope, love, fear, displacement, are deeply real. At Luring Augustine in Chelsea, Toor's paintings present a sequence of imagined scenes, some filled with the quiet of domestic tenderness, others charged with a theatrical sense of anticipation or unease. Across the city in Tribeca, his drawings and etchings delve into similar terrain, offering a more distilled gestural lens through which to encounter his invented worlds. These works on paper trace moments of connection, self-awareness, and transformation in fluid, tender lines. As writer Evan Moffitt has observed, Toor's green hues oscillate between reverence and rupture, between dream and disquiet, like the emerald lens through which Nero is said to have watched gladiators. Toor's palette filters the world in a paradox. Light as a balm, green as poison, the beautiful etched with danger. Salman Toor's Wishmaker proves once more why he is a painter's painter of our generation.
More installation views and also of course the titles and metadata of all the artworks seen in this video can be found on the website of the gallery at Luring Augustine. I will link to it in the description below and of course in the pinned comment. To conclude, if you're interested in discovering more exciting contemporary art, feel free to visit our online magazine, contemporaryartissue.com. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Feel free to watch our video on figurative painting today next. Support us on Patreon and please consider subscribing to stay posted for more contemporary art. Bye.